lost sight of the Queensport light. Down the bay before us, and the wind is blown some cold today, with just a wee touch of snow.
Another day in paradise. Both had a pretty bad night.
Yeah, not a great sleep. Woke up a lot. In the evening, as I was falling asleep, I was having thoughts of bears, and I was reliving it and imagining it in different scenarios, and then I tried to push that out of my head, because that wasn't a good way to fall asleep.
Getting the last load here before finishing off our 1 kilometer portage. Just mentioned that our paddling portaging ratio is pretty bad today. About 400 meters of paddling, maybe 500 against 2 portages, over 1 kilometer in total. But it'll be better. We'll have some paddling coming up. So that's our second trip. First trip's with the barrels and the paddles and the spray skirt. Second trip is canoe and dry pack. So if Jan's got the canoe, that means I've got the dry pack. We try to be easy on our gear. It's one of our rules. So we always lift the heavy bags at 2 points. So instead of just grabbing by the strap, backpack strap, and swinging around, that would put all the weight on this one strap and risk it ripping. We make sure we hold it with the handle as well. That's right behind my neck right now. All right, I should go catch up. Nice, okay, so here we are. I'm watching Jan up ahead with the canoe. So you can really tell that he's struggling with the wind. It's blowing him all over the place. A lot of the time he's kind of walking sidestep. Note about the shotgun on my back, it's Jan's 12 gauge pump action. We have it loaded with 4 slugs in the magazine and then 1 empty shot in the chamber with the safety off. So if you want to use it, you have to cock the gun and then it's ready to fire. No fiddling around, no wondering if the safety's on or off. We feel like that's the safest way for us to travel. It means it's always ready to go when we need it. Because there's no point in carrying gear if you can't use it when you need it, which is something we're constantly reminded of when it comes to our helmets, or it comes to the spray deck, or even the right canoe paddle. And yesterday we were very fiercely reminded that that's also true of the shotgun and bear spray. And although the bear spray was always handy, it was in a backpack top pocket, which wasn't on us at the time, so I'm wearing the bear spray now. Oh yeah, holy jumping.
Another black bear on that beach.
Holy shit. And he's not far. Man, they're everywhere up here, but he's a small one. Number 3. Within 3 days. Each day a black bear now. I like to see them from my canoe.
Yeah.
Lunchen. Whole bunch of goodness in here. To the downstream travel.
Yeah.
this little guy goes all the way to the Kogaluk. That's exciting. Next step, kind of. Can you keep it here for a sec, then I'll move ahead? Foot soup.
Mine's a cold foot soup. Mine's also pretty nice though.
Mine's a warm foot soup.
Now this is like lukewarm.
Yeah.
Your body temperature is warm.
Yeah, like if you had peed in your boots and put your shoes on. Yeah, so the perfect temperature for a foot soup. So we are blessed with some lining.
Yeah, we skipped a couple portages. Awesome.
Time to jump in. Maybe we can even get to the next pond.
That would be a miracle.
That's the Kogaluk Valley. Can't believe it. We made it that far. So we're basically on the last lake before descending down to the Kogaluk. Right there is where the brook here continues, and the mountain range behind that, that's the other side of the Kogaluk River. So from here it's just another 2 kilometers to go, and then we'll be down by the river. That's amazing.
2 easy kilometers.
I do not know about the easy, but 2 more kilometers. She's ready.
That is amazing.
We are scouting our route right now for tomorrow. As you can see on the other slope, you should pick wisely where you're going. And the day is still young, so we took the time and walked around. We'll descend a little bit and see how it looks like. We got an idea where we want to go based on the contour lines of the topographic map, but we want to confirm that first. So still scouting the route, and for the first time you can see the river, which is right there. If we would have come down further to the right, you see here's a big cliff separating this side from the other, so it would be no good. So what we'll do is basically follow in that direction through the forest and hopefully find a route.